This poor schlub, this fluffy schlub joining the snack club. Some Tajin, chili, and lime peanuts. When I saw these at the Dollar General, I'm like, I like Tajin. Tajin seasoning is really good on a lot of different things. I mean, I put that stuff on ice cream. Yeah, on really sweet things like fruit and stuff like that. It's good seasoning. So, Tajin peanuts. Whoa! That chili and lime impacts. Wow. Roasted peanuts with Tajin Classico seasoning. Non-GMO, verified. Gluten-free. Tajin peanuts. That's good. Yummy goodness.